5 home remedies for plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis, also known as jogger's heel, is a common disorder that causes acute pain in the heel and the sole of the foot. According to the report by Palo Alto Medical Association, heel pain affects more half of the Americans, and the most common cause is the plantar fasciitis. It occurs due to inflammation in the plantar fascia, a thick band of connective tissues that turns along the bottom of your foot and connects the heel bone to the shoe. Repetitive stretching and tearing can cause the plantar fascia to become irritated or inflamed. Plantar fasciitis can affect both men and women and it is very common in runners and hikers. However, it most often affects active men between the age of 40 to 70. Apart from age, other factors that may increase your risk of developing plantar fasciitis includes regular indulging in activities that put a lot of stress on your heels, faulty foot mechanisms, obesity, jobs that keep you on your foot for long hours, and wearing shoes with a poor arch support or soft soles. Common signs and symptoms of plantar fasciitis are heel pain, inflammation, pain in the foot arch, difficulty walking or standing, limping, acute pain after brief weight-bearing activities, and stiffness in the heel after a long period of inactivity. Symptoms are often worst in the morning. In addition, it usually affects just one foot, but can be both at the times. Plantar fasciitis can have a huge impact on your day-to-day activities. You can reduce the symptoms and discomfort with easy-to-follow home remedies and simple lifestyle modification. First, stretching exercises. Stretching exercises that involve your feet and lower leg muscles are one of the best way to control heel pain due to the plantar fasciitis. They will also help reduce inflammation in the calves and other leg muscles so you can move around comfortably. Before you get out of the bed in the morning, stretch your feet, lower leg muscles, calf muscles, and toes. While sitting up in the bed, hold on to your flexed feet and gently pull them towards you for 30 seconds. Release and repeat 1 or 2 more times. This will help minimize the pain in the morning. Stand at arm's length from a wall with your unaffected leg slightly bent at the knee and then affected foot behind you. Slowly and gently press your hips forward while keeping both the heels flat on the floor. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then relax. Repeat this exercise in 2 sets of 10 repetitions, several times a week. Roll a frozen water bottle or a golf ball under the arc of your foot, starting from the front and working your way back. Apply a little pressure. Do this for a couple of minutes once daily for more exercises. Consult a doctor or a physical trainer. Second, foot massage. Massaging your foot will provide relief from pain and inflammation caused by the plantar fasciitis. Regular massaging stimulates the blood flow in and around the affected area and helps release the tension in the plantar fascia. Using your finger, gently massage the lower part of your foot and heel with some part of olive oil, coconut or sesame oil for 10 minutes. Do this couple of times daily, especially before going to bed. You can even use electric massager to reduce the pain in your heel due to the plantar fasciitis. Third, common cold. Using a cold compress can help reduce inflammation and ease the pain caused by the plantar fasciitis. Wrap a few ice cubes in a thin towel. You can also freeze a round plastic bottle filled with water. Place it over the area of pain for a few minutes. If using a frozen bottle, roll it over the itching area for about 5 minutes. Repeat a few times a day for after activities. Repeat a few times a day or after activity. Fourth, Epsom salt. Epsom salt can help soothe your plantar fascia and relieve pain inflammation. Moreover, it aids in healing muscles and connective tissue. Put 2 to 3 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a small tub of warm water. Soak your feet in this water for 10 to 15 minutes twice a day. You can also massage the affected area to alleviate the pressure. Do this few times a week. Fifth, turmeric. Curcumin, a component in turmeric, works as a potent painkiller and anti-inflammatory agent. A study published in 2007 issue of American Journal of Physiology found that curcumin can reduce both acute and chronic inflammation. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to a 1 cup of milk. Heat it over a low flame and add a little bit of honey and drink it daily before going to bed. Alternatively, take curcumin supplements 400 to 600 mg 2 times a day. Consult a doctor before starting a supplement regimen.